Hi all, myself Meenu Balan from Department of Logistics. Today I'm going to present the topic group cohesiveness. First of all, we can look the definition of cohesiveness. Cohesiveness defines the degree of closeness that the member feels with the group. That means in a group there will be two or more members. So how much the relationship is. So the degree of their closeness, if their interaction or the relationship is high, we can say there are more cohesiveness. So that is the degree of closeness that refers to cohesiveness. Next is factors influencing cohesiveness. Similarity of attitude and values, size of the group, time, location, difficulty in entry, interdependency. First one is similarity of attitudes and values. If the group members have similar attitudes and values, we can see more closeness among them. So, if they have similar attitudes and values, we can see more closeness and also they will be in good relationship. Second one, size of the group. If the size of the group is less, there will be a less number of members in the group. So the cohesiveness is more. That means they can interact more time. So if the size of the group is less, their cohesiveness is more. Next, time. The time which they get to interact each other. If they get more time to interact each other, their cohesiveness will develop and there will be more good relationship in the group. Next is location. If the group members are placed in the similar locations, they will face each other in sometimes they will be face each other. So if the location is nearby, the cohesiveness will be more. Next is difficulty in entry. If the process to enter in the group is much more difficult, their closeness will be more because they know it is very difficult to enter in the group. So to exit from the group is very sad for them. So if the difficulty in entering the group is more, their cohesiveness will be also increase. Next were interdependency. Interdependency means if the one group member depends the other member, the cohesiveness will increase because they will work with the help of the other member. They will exchange their suggestion with the other member. So if they are interdependent to do a work, their cohesiveness will be more. Next is consequences of cohesiveness. Cohesiveness has only positive consequences because we know cohesiveness is the degree of closeness. So, if the degree of closeness increase, their consequences will be positive. We can look what are the consequences. First one, more participation. If there is more cohesiveness in the group members is happy and they will give their maximum effort to do some job. So, there will be more participation. Second one, more conformity. More conformity means they will spend their time more in the group. They won't show any negligence to perform in the group. That is more conformity. And it leads to more success. That is, group goals will be achieved. If group cohesiveness increase, the group goals will be achieved easily. So they will achieve more success by compared with individual. Next is more communication. If they are interdependent to each other, communication will increase. They won't show any hesitation to communicate with each other. Next is more personal satisfaction. If we are doing with a group and we are achieving the group goals, the satisfaction level is more while compared with individual satisfaction. So, cohesiveness will lead to more personal satisfaction. Next one, high productivity. So, among all these things will lead to, all these consequences will lead to more productivity in the organization. Next, managerial actions for increasing cohesiveness. We know cohesiveness is having more positive consequences. So, managers will develop some strategies to improve the consequences. So, make the group smaller. We already discussed that small group will be having more cohesiveness. So the managers will try to divide the large group into much more smaller groups to increase the cohesiveness. Encourage agreement with group goals because as cohesiveness is developed among the groups, so they will develop new or innovative group goals to achieve because a group can achieve more success while compared with individual. Next, increase the time members spend together. They will increase the time to spend each other because how much the time they spend each other, that much the cohesiveness will increase. Increase the status of the group. If the status of the group is increased, the members will be attracted to enter in that group. Also, they will be satisfied with that group. Next, stimulate competition with other groups. If they have healthy competition with the other groups, they will be happy to participate, and also their group goals are achieved and it will leads to high productivity. So that's all about group cohesiveness. Thank you.